why don't we start with this triad, with major triads in root position. So as you can see here, the formula that we're going to use is going to be a root 3 and 5 for do, mi, sol. And we're going to use this cycle. We're going to use cycle of fourths. So we're going to go like C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, D, E, A, D, G, and C. So here we go. We're going to build our triads. Do, mi, sol. And why don't we sing at the same time? F. B flat, do, mi, sol, E flat, do, mi, sol, A flat, do, mi, sol, D flat, G flat, do, mi, sol, B, do, mi, sol, E, do, mi, sol, A, do, mi, sol, D, do, mi, sol, and G, do, mi, sol. Okay, excellent. So now we're gonna move to first inversion, to mi, sol, do. But I wanna change cycles. I wanna change. So instead of cycle of fourths, let's go to cycle of fifths. So here we have cycle. We have C, G, D, A, E, B, G flat, D flat, A flat, E flat, B flat, F, and then C. And we're gonna start building our triads now in first inversion. Left hand is gonna continue playing the root, but right hand we're gonna build our triad in first inversion as mi, sol, do, or 3, 5 root. And we're gonna sing. Yeah, we're gonna sing. So why don't we start? C. Mi, sol, do, G. Mi, sol, do. Yeah, we're trying to combine both keyboard skills and ear training, which is really useful. D. Mi, sol, do. A. Mi, sol, do. E. Mi, sol, do. B. G flat, mi, sol, do, D flat, mi, sol, do, A flat, mi, sol, do, E flat, B flat, mi, sol, do, F, mi, sol, do. Okay, and now we're gonna do second inversion. So we're gonna play 5 root 3. or Sol, Do, Mi. But I don't want to change cycles. I want to go to another cycle, which is the minor third cycle ascending. So minor third cycle ascending. So we're going to have C, E flat, F sharp or G flat, A, D flat, E, G, B flat, D, F, A flat, B, and we end back on C. So we're gonna start. Second inversion, Sol, Do, Mi. Sol, Do, Mi. E flat. Sol, Do, Mi. F sharp or G flat. Sol, Do, Mi. A. Sol, Do, Mi. D flat. Sol, Do, Mi. Key of E. Sol, Do, Mi. G. Sol, Do, Mi. B flat. Sol, Do, Mi. D. Sol, Do, Mi. F. Sol, Do, Mi. A flat. Sol, Do, Mi. And B. Sol, Do, Mi. And don't see always. Okay, good. So every week.